So ladies and gentlemen, good morning on 26th of September 2020, and now I have reached my final destination. Final destination means cannot place, and then in cannot place, while I am biking and while I am cycling, and then just going around this very beautiful iconic building and iconic place. I'm just giving you my morning bite. The morning bite is that, ladies and gentlemen, is that the stress busters and the immunity booster. Immunity booster is cycling, is running, is beautiful, is cycling, is running, swimming, walking, talking, hot discussions, brainstorming, positive fighting, football, soccer, playing, jumping. All these things are morning stress busters. So ladies and gentlemen, while I'm going around this beautiful iconic place of Connaught Place, this is my final destination today, 40 kilometers cycling, and just see that where you might have seen such a beautiful video coverage so far in your life. Just going around this while everybody is sleeping. Sanjay Kher is just waking up and cycling. While everybody is sleeping, Sanjay Kher is cycling. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the beauty of the life, that don't be Sushant Singh Rajput, don't be Rihad Chakraborty, don't get into bad company, don't get into drugs, because drugs kill, and then you can be in deep trouble. Just have different points of stress busters. Be in a very good company. Company is very important, ladies and gentlemen. You just see the structural balance, and the balance is also very important. The structural balance, and the balance is also very important. You just see that these people, I gave them an idea to just do the videography the way they are doing now. Otherwise they were doing most of the time inside, and the videography and the photography was back. But then I told them that just do it inside this Connaught Place, this iconic and British era buildings, architecture, which you will not find now, because now people are more commercial. They are not. You need it from inside. You need everything to flow from inside. This is inner engineering. This is inside out. So first look inside and then outside. So that is exactly these people. They have toiled this maybe Britishers. They have also worked very hard and built this architectural marvel of Connaught Place, ladies and gentlemen, which you are enjoying today after around maybe 100 years. So the point was that laziness is a killer. Laziness is my biggest enemy. Just in the morning, hit the bed and just come out at 5 a.m. in the morning, and then go for cycling. Then whole day you will be full of energy and full of enthusiasm. You will not fall in bad company. You will have your dose of the positive and good hormones. They will come out, and the bad hormones will be just subjugated, and they will be just suppressed. So that is what exactly is needed, ladies and gentlemen. Have a feel of the place, and just the morning bliss and the morning energy with Sanjay Kher Sanjay Kher on the bike. This is my BMW. BMW means bike, metro, walk. Bike, metro, walk. So my BMW. Thank you very much. God bless you.